the whole flat to Christmas atmosphere. You can see our bedding is already red color. I really love it. And then it's gonna be my first time to baking. I wanna bake cinnamon roll. It's my favorite pastry. Yesterday I bought all the ingredients, so I see if it's gonna be successful today. But now I'm gonna go to make some breakfast for myself. I'm thinking make a yogurt bowl and some tea. Now is the time to put the tray out. We moved the dining table to another place. I'll show you. So we put dining table was in here, but we moved this to here. And this area we're gonna put the whole Christmas tree by the window, by another window.
I must have sent 400 poems on the way you used to smile at me. I used to write them for you daily, but my thumbs are running dry lately. No one wants to hear a song about the bitch that broke my heart.
Hello, now it's time to open this two candle holder and this candle calendar. Let's have a look. Unboxing time. It's not even Christmas yet.
You look so lovely that I'm
to this glass candle holder, very beautiful.
Since
Open this one. Start from day one.
You change your mind. I'll say goodbye on a beautiful spring.
Okay, so we got day one.
It was a place
and
not too
day
dissimilar to this one, where I first saw your face. You look like home. Sat all alone, I should have found somebody cheaper to chase.
Like cinnamon.
Tragically, nobody told
like
me how expensive you could be. I lost more than money, dear, you know the swagger out of me. But now we're here in Regent's Park amongst the flowers, and I wish it would rain, 'cause in the sun you look so lovely that I'm falling for you over again. Since I have not.
Now it's time for cinnamon roll. Baking time. Please ignore the light over here. I think this is my second time baking. So tired making this dough. My arm is exhausting. I'm nearly there. Almost done. I think cinnamon butter cream is done. The whole flat smells so good. I love cinnamon flavor. Now I'm gonna put this in the frame. Now let's just waiting. I probably will make them in about 1 hour. I've been watching Stranger Things these days, and I don't know why I joined this group so late, because it's such a great show. Now I'm about to start season 3, episode 1. Wish me luck. Okay, now I've been waiting 1 hour and the dough is getting really big. Ta-da! Hello, I'm gonna go to a bookstore now. There's a book I really want to read. Let's see if I can find in the bookstore. Also, the bookstore has a Black Friday discount. I think it's a pretty good opportunity to buy some books. I'm dressed really warm, very fluffy jacket, and I'm gonna bring a bag for the book. Of course, I'll take you along with me. Let's go.
Coming back from the country, full of good food.
Hey guys, I just got home. I have to say this is a very successful book shopping because I got 3 books on my reading list, and another book I bought it spontaneously because they got really good discount in Black Friday, so I have to buy 4. So the first one I got is Tell Me Everything by Elizabeth Strout. I have seen so many people recommend this book. It's very popular, and for sure this one is on my list. This one is the spontaneous book. It's The Blue Hour by Paula Hawkins. The reason I bought this one is because it has a good book sign on the corner, so I trust it. But I'm just not sure if I'm gonna like it. Next book is the first one on my reading list. Is The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo by Taylor Jenkins Reid. I think I'm gonna read this first. I can't wait. I just can't wait. The last book is To Kill a Mockingbird, very classic, by Harper Lee. I'm just so happy to having this baby. I'm gonna read my book right now.
Could capsize you. You don't have to be alone to be lonesome.